Everyone, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of rotate on Snapchat. To know how to fix or how to solve the problem of rotate on Snapchat, you should just go to settings. And first, you can go to apps and you can search about Snapchat. Then you can click on first stop and you can click OK. After that, you will enter to the window of storage. Here you can click clear cache. Don't click clear data because that can cause you errors, or you can delete your account as you see here. In the end, you can go to Play Store. You can uninstall your app and you can install it again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video. And thank you for your attention and your watching.